watching Friday the 13th. So I found this thing in the trash, the cord, and there was two of them, and I kind of wish I took both of them, but um, I got one of them. This plastic I got from MAP. It's a place that gives food and clothing. That definitely needs more donations, by the way. Um, the tent broke when we were setting it up. I'm gonna say it was both of our faults because I don't know what you know. I do know what it is, but I don't know. There's like a lot of mishaps this time because apparently I'm supposed to be like relearning how to do things. Yeah, there's no way that I'm that retarded all of a sudden. It's just one thing after the other, and then I have to like come up with other contraptions in order to fix it. Yeah. So you have to put the poles in the tent first. Don't put the stakes in first if you have one of these tents. I'm wicked depressed because I asked for a second one. We do need two of them because they're so small. You have to have one to put your stuff in, like your food and your backpacks, and the other one to sleep in. It's definitely a one-person tent. Like two people can sleep in it, but with all your stuff, right? So it said they didn't have any more. That they got donations and they gave them all away. So again, more things that people need to donate. So anyway, we put the stakes in first, and then the other thing too is he's being like really difficult this time. He will not help me do anything. I mean, last time I don't remember him being this belligerent. Right? He just says he doesn't feel good, but he like literally will not help me do anything. So, anyways, yeah, like so clearly not being as gentle as you should be, and the thing broke. He snapped the pole. It just as I was saying, don't stress things too much. And then I hear something. I go, "Did you just break it?" And he said, "No." And then the thing got set up, and boom, one corner went in. And yeah, they're plastic. So anyway, put the poles in first because the tent stands on its own without those things, without those metal hooks. Yeah, the tent just sits on the ground by itself without those metal hooks. The metal hooks are basically after the tent is set up. Don't put the corners down first. So anyways, I think it's maybe different, the old-fashioned tents. You had to put the corners in first. Right, because I think you used poles like inside the tent or something. They weren't these like ones that bend like that. It's definitely a good tent. So now I guess I'll keep this one to be the storage tent because even though it's broken, I'm sure it will still set up at one side. Like it looked like a teepee and it made an X at the top. So anyway, again, people left those air mattresses. So that's what I would sort of request if they want to do a thing where they ask people to put their garbage in one place and their dry trash in another place. Okay, there was two of them. I took one and cut it, and that acts as a top. And then I use the other half to put over the firewood. And then I took the notebook spiral stuff, you can see it right there, to try to attach this plastic to this thing. Like you could, with the other piece, you could literally make a tent out of this.